Alright guys, I need your help. You've been following this short series. You know I've been trying to fix this VWCC and I'm having issues. Let me show you. These are the fault codes I'm getting. So here's my attempt at trying to start the car. You can hear popping coming from the back. Here's my second attempt at trying to start. I added a fuel pressure reading. You can really hear the pops now. So yeah guys, I'm not getting any start. I don't know what's wrong. I need some help. Hit me in the comments please. Tell me what you think about those pops, about trying to start, what I should do next.